Start it. So good evening everybody, and today you know that the new activity which we are going to present here, that is alphabetical talk. What is this? Actually I will take a round, and you know that while speaking an alphabetical order, and where I take a pause means where my stop is, you will have to likewise suppose that I take a stoppage and I am on the letter H, I'm on the letter E, you'll have to start. E for energy, elephant, energetic, anything else you have to start. Understood? So let's start, and the first condition is this: within 10 seconds you have to start your topic. If you take that more time than this, definitely I will snatch your chance. Ready? Well, let's start. So anybody will start now, right? And stand straight please. So now we are moving towards for A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come forward. Speak fast.
G for goat.
G for goat. Oh my God.
G
Speak up,
for
please.
goat.
Very first, give your short intro. Who are you?
I am Anika Kesharwani. I
Alright.
study in class 6th E.
Right. Wow. Very good.
And
You are Hindi medium or English medium?
English medium.
All right. Let's start now, please.
Goat is a animal who gives milk, but it is not. Goat is the goat of full form is great of all time, and my teacher is goat and great of all time,
Yeah,
and
greatest
my
of all time.
guardians great of all time,
Right.
and we will become a goat because goat is a great of all time. That's
Fantastic, you have done very good, fantastic. She has done well. Now I'm starting from A, B, C, G, H, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, 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 P. Yes. Mr. Arpit, I am right?
Yes, sir.
So what do you have for P? Start now, please. Come on. Your time start. 1, 2, within 10 counts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 and quarter, 9 and half, 9 quarter to 10, 10. No, please. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, P, P. P. Start now.
P for passion.
All right.
So I am going to talk about passion. So what do you mean by passion? What do you know about passion? What is passion? Do anyone know? No, no one knows. Passion is the thing which passionates you to do any work. Like someone wants to become engineer, someone wants to become doctor. So how they think that they have to become that? They have passion of it. They see online, they see everywhere that this person has much respect, this person has much money. So why? Because they once had passion. That's why they become that. So they have money, respect, knowledge. So how to create passion? Many people who live in their comfort zone, they don't want to leave it. They don't want to do anything. They just want to scroll reels. They are saying that, wow, what a nice thing. I don't want to do this. But my friend, you will do nothing. If you have to be successful, if you have to be successful, you have to be passionate. You have to be passionate about your work. You know, it is, the successful person like Elon Musk, they had passion. The successful ones, they had passion. That's why they become successful.
That's why they become
successful. Yes.
Don't create scene in your house.
Don't create scene in your house. Respect your father. Have patience.
Go now.
And why are you laughing much? Focus on your study. Be passionate about your study. Don't just come here. Don't just come here to wander around. Don't just come here to make big sentences. You have to do something.
Is that my father is villain? Yes.
No, you don't have to think that. Father is the one who earns money for you. If you will go to your friend and say, please give me your property, he will not give you, but your father will give you without thinking twice.
Come here. All right. I am speaking English.
I am speaking English.
My passion.
This is my passion. How am I speaking English? Because I am passionate about English. From the very starting, from the first class, I listen English and I knew that I can speak English. I had motivation in me. That's why I am speaking English. So
Winner! You begin. Fantastic, fantastic. Okay, great.